Exceptional, I like it. Good location, good service, room is okay, not small. Exceptional, very accommodating. Great location near train and shopping area. Hotel is clean and Kozumi. Exceptional, excellent. Very good place to stay. Very good hotel and clean, staff are very kind and friendly. This is my third visit and looking forward to be there soon because I feel so relaxed and price is very affordable. Nice, it's nice to stay with. Great stay, cannot ask for more. Very nice hotel and exceptional staff. Chire desu ohayamo, ofuromo chire deshi tsugumukai ni, gonbin yimo arimasushi, okuboya, kabuchicho mochikaku benri deshi tama tato maritai desu. Good nearby to anything. Shinjuku Higashi Shinjuku. Near at subway station and walking distance to the main city, money worth, but if you want to leave your luggage and you want to early check in, you can't, crying face. Am very satisfied. I'm looking forward to there at any given time. I'm more than 100% satisfied. Is a place to relax without any problem and the price is very good, affordable, thanks. Yakakap, Shinjuku Yakurasa Jungpuncheku Injanachin Momaki Nung Kamalko Nuntaki Tanchimi Upsumnida. Jinkirako so to Upsum. Chimtapunam. Wanderer, just right price for a good hotel, well located. Exceptional. Be careful when arriving late at night, they don't have someone on duty. Advise them if you're checking in late. Nice hotel, clean, very good location. We'll book again next time. Exceptional, near train station, 7-Eleven, Family Mart and Lawson. And a lot of restaurants. A cheaper price, Don Quixote too. Wanderer, well located, helpful staff. Very good hotel for solo travelers, 10 minutes away from the nightlife.